Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Discord is not installing or working properly. This should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and we're going to go jump right into it. If you're having problems installing Discord, would be to open up the start menu, type in %, app data, and then %. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to locate the Discord folder here and right click on it, select delete. Might need to try again here. And if you notice it's not letting you, you want to go select Task Manager, and we're basically just going to look for the Discord background processes here. And you just want to right click on them, and we're going to just end these tasks. And now if you select try again, it should delete it. And now you want to close out of here. Go back to start menu, type in % local app data %. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And now same thing we did before, there should be a Discord folder in here, right click on it, select delete. And now once you've done that, close out of here, restart your computer, and then attempt to download and install Discord once again, and that should be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.